here with Branden Voegerl from CleanSlate. Branden, tell us about CleanSlate and about your organization.
Yeah, hi Laurent. This is My name's Branden Voegerl. I'm with CleanSlate Technology Group. I'm the director of our IBM software sales division over here. I've been with the organization for about a little over 15 years, primarily responsible for the software sales side of our house. Um, CleanSlate, we are a platinum IBM business partner with cross-brand capabilities, national coverage. And like I kind of mentioned earlier, I was here for 15 years. The company is about 22 years old.
And so tell us about MaaS360. Tell us about what it is. It's a product from IBM, a software mobile device manager. Tell us about it and how it helps your clients.
So MaaS360 has been a real hot topic as of late. Security in general has been a hot topic as of late. No one wants to be that next logo on the evening news, right? And with this new work from home or work from anywhere environment, companies are struggling with being able to lock down and be have a secure posture when it comes to those endpoints, those mobile devices. So mobile device management has been, and MaaS360 in general, being a cloud native tool that can be run from anywhere, also has been a great fit with our clientele and has been adopted by many.
Wow, that's amazing. So I know in the past you've typically transacted MaaS360 through the licensing desk, which is a more traditional approach. But I'd say over the past year, year and a half, you've really been working with the marketplace. Tell us about the marketplace and how that process has been easier and more profitable for you.
So yeah, so there's been a huge difference in the way that we've started to transact our business from a Mass 360 perspective from a year ago, right? A year ago, we were typically going to IBM, asking IBM for the pricing. The pricing was sent to Ingram Micro, the licensing desk. The licensing desk then sent the pricing over to us. That process of finding the IBM rep, getting the bid approved, getting it over to Ingram and back to us was taking a lot of times in some cases, up to 2-3 days sometimes. Um, with the new Ingram Marketplace, we're able to do a lot of that on our own, automate a lot of that, and speed the time it takes us to get a quote ourselves, create that quote. That I have to say is at much higher margins now than it has through the passport desk, and we're able to get that to our client very quickly and efficiently. I can go into the marketplace today, create a quote on my own, download it, put it into my own system and out to the customer in minutes rather than days. And again, I'm making more margin to the marketplace as well. So the ROI that's included with that is phenomenal.
I love that, Brandon. So now instead of spending that time, managing the complexity, what are you doing with that time saved?
So the additional time, the days of time that I save and hours actually, and putting all this together is used to um, it's in other areas, right? I'm able to focus more on business development, training my staff and my new employees to become another me and become senior level sales executives in the space. We work on doing more business development activities around demand gen and marketing, not only with the Ingram team but within our internal team. So it absolutely frees up a lot of time and effort that I can put in other areas.
I love it. So not only are you getting more profitable sales and using less time to do it, but now on top of it all, you're using that time savings to go on with further business development. That's fantastic. Thank you so much, Brandon, for this window into CleanSlate's approach go-to market here with MaaS360. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much.